How to tag everyone in a Facebook group. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we will see that can you tag everyone in a Facebook group. So please watch till the end to properly understand the process. So open your Facebook app and go to groups. To go to groups, tap on here on your profile in the top right corner. Then here you will see groups, tap on it. And now go to the group where you want to post and tag everyone. So to post to the group, tap on here, write something and write whatever you want. And then to tag everyone, tap on @. And this group is not mine. I'm not the admin of this group. So if I try to tag everyone, I'm not getting the option to tag everyone. Now if I go to my group where I'm the admin, and here if I try to tag everyone, I'm getting the option to tag everyone and can mention everyone once a day. So many people also say that you can tag everyone if you comment on the post in the group where you are not admin. So we will also try that. So here first I will type a post, and in the post I will try to comment and tag everyone. So here also I'm not getting the option to tag everyone. So it looks like you can tag everyone if you are not the admin of the group. So guys, this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.